Hello everyone, this is Basit Muhammad and you are watching my channel English Language and Literature. Dear friends, today is our second lecture part 1 for the reading skills. In our first lecture, we discussed using vocabulary in context. If you have missed the first lecture, I have given the link of the first lecture in the description below. Go and watch it. Today, we will discuss recognizing main ideas. Understanding the main ideas will also help you to get message from the text. You can call it the backbone of reading skills. For the sake of comprehension, it is very important to recognize the main ideas. Therefore, it is said that recognizing main ideas is the key to good comprehension. The basic question you must ask about any piece of writing is what is the main point the author is trying to make? To answer such a question, it is useful to first point out what topic is being discussed. Read the following dialogue. John, have you ever taken an open book test, Dave? Dave, no, but I bet they are easy. John, that's what you think. Dave, but all you have to do is look up the answers, right? John, it's not that simple. An open book test means essay questions that require making sense of a lot of material. If you haven't studied well, the book won't be of much help. The topic for this dialogue is open book tests, and the main idea or theme is that the open book tests are not so easy as they appear. So each and every writing or selection or text has a particular topic. Topic is a general term, it covers all the things in a piece of writing or in a text. Theme or main idea is for shorter selections, but in longer selections and textbook chapters, we use thesis or central idea. The topic is the subject that a selection or a paragraph is all about. It is a general term that covers all or most of the material in a selection. While finding the topic, remember to ask who or what is the selection or paragraph about. Read the following paragraph and try to find the topic. Consumers concerned about the hazards of noise can reduce noise pollution in many ways. They can purchase noisy products such as garbage disposals and lawn mowers with reduced noise levels. They can also use sound absorbing materials in their home. Carpeting can be installed instead of hard flooring, and cork and fabric can be used in rooms that tend to be noisy. Also, people can become less noisy themselves. They can learn to avoid shouting, to close doors without slamming them, and to play radios, TV sets, and stereos at moderate levels. You might have chosen noise pollution as the topic of this paragraph. You can see that noise pollution is covering each and every detail of the paragraph. That is all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.